Mangalore to Bangalore, Part 1, The Train Journey. The 26th of December 2019. This was around 11:30 in the morning. We had just left from the Mangalore Central Railway Station. Me along with my uncle standing near the door just to look at the view outside. Keep watching the video till the end. I'll show you the beautiful journey from Mangalore to Bangalore. This is the chair car that we were in. It was very clean and it was very comfortable as well. It's my mom. She had packed some chicken roll from the house and some buttermilk and pulao. This is my mom and my uncle. And this is me having my lunch. It was around 1:30 in the afternoon. This is me having my lunch. That's my mom next to me. We had bought some sour candies from home. And this is my dad at the back. Can you see those beautiful mountains? This was around 7:30 and we just reached the Bangalore railway station.